Okay, quick demo of my noise guitar, drone guitar, just a kid's guitar, taking off two of the strings, as you can see. Two outputs, that's because there's the guitar part and a synth built into it, sort of noise synth. The guitar strings, I was going to tune it like a octave mandolin, but I ended up just using what strings I had around, so at the moment it's just tuned to G, G, G and G, so all G's, which is pretty cool for like droney stuff. You can do so yeah, that's quite a nice sound for a rubbish guitar really. Probably more to do with the tuning than anything, but yeah, that's so it still works as a guitar, but as well it's got the noise circuit. So there's two outputs. This one, the orange lead, is the guitar, that's going to a guitar amp, and the black lead is output that I put in, which is the noise circuit, which is going to my biscuit tin amp there. Volume control still works as a volume control for the guitar part. So that's still working, obviously. This switch at the moment does nothing. It's just there. I was going to wire it up. I might still use it. There's probably a few things I'm going to do to this. Yeah. This is the noise circuitry on and off switch, obviously, hence the off and on labelling. There's two oscillators, both controlled by light dependent resistors. One is there, the O in noise, and that's on a tilt switch, so once this is turned on, I'll turn the guitar down, so once this is turned on, this oscillator only turns on when the guitar is up that way, so off, on, like that. But obviously if it's bypassed, nothing happens. Second oscillator, if I tilt this down so it's off, second oscillator, there's the light dependent resistor under the strings there, and this one's on and off by this button here, which sort of blends into the groovy zigzags I've drawn on here, but that's just there if you can see it. So yeah, also there's feedback on a tilt switch. If I tilt the neck down, it does that. I think if I tilt it up to get the, making weird noises now. Feedback just kind of overpowers everything, but you can get some really sort of nice weird stuff going on if you shake the guitar around. So obviously that's sort of mucking with the tilt switches if they're constantly going on and off, and you get some nice sounds if you combine the two oscillators. So if I put it on, that one's on at the moment. it's quite cool. Kind of wish I'd put them the other way round, maybe. I'm thinking about changing the controls for this thing a bit anyway, adding a bit more control to the feedback so it's not just that static tone the whole time. Might wire something into this switch, and I'm thinking of putting a piezo pickup under the bridge, so getting the natural vibrations of the strings rather than just the electric pickup. Obviously it had two pickups before, but I've taken out the other one, and you can sort of see in there that's where the circuit for the noise stuff has gone. Yeah, but if you want to play both at the same time, you sort of get a bit of the noise circuit interfering with the guitar and vice versa. So if I turn this, if I turn the noise on and strum the guitar, you'll sort of hear the crackling coming through the noise circuit. Actually, if I turn the guitar down and turn this on, and so yeah, it sort of kind of picks the signal up a bit, but they are separate things, the guitar and the noise oscillator. It just happens to be in there. So yeah, I'll just sort of make some noise or something now. That seems like the best thing to do. So yeah, not really sounding very musical, but I'm just kind of making some noises. Yeah. Yeah, one thing I do like is sort of the fact that you can sort of flail it around and it makes some pretty cool noises, just like the noise circuit. Stuff like that. That's basically it.